Hi, this is Achna. Great India, great people. Today we will discuss about a famous Indian festival called Dashera. Discussing about the festival makes me proud. The festival name Dashera is derived from Sanskrit words called Dasha means 10 and Hara means defeat. The months of the October and November are usually filled with the festive moods for Indians. Two major festivals are being celebrated during these months called Dashera and Diwali. One of the most famous celebration in Dashera must be Durga Puja. Celebrated extensively by Bengalis, it falls on the last day of Dashera. Navaratri, a 9 days festival dedicated to Mother Goddess. Every day, Amma manifests into various forms till the end of the Navaratri. Dashera is also known as Vijayadashmi, Dashain, Durgotsav, Navaratri, etc. Dashera is differently celebrated in various states of India. As per my knowledge, in Kolkata, Dashera is celebrated grandly. On the time of celebration, Kolkata becomes the city of joy. Kanakadurga temple is a temple of goddess Durga located in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. The temple is located on Indrakailadri hill on the bank of Krishna river. Dashera is a Hindu festival that celebrates the victory of good over evil at the end of the Navaratri every year. Vijayadashmi is observed for different reasons and celebrated differently in various parts of India. Vijayadashmi remembers goddess Durga victory over demon Mahishasura. Dashera is also celebrated in different countries called Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. In the northern, central, and western states of India, it marks the end of the Ram Leela and remembers the victory of Lord Rama over evil King Ravana. The outcome that is of light over dark, truth over lies, and good over evil. On the very same occasion, Arjuna alone killed more than 10 lakh soldiers and defeated all the Kuru warriors, including Bhishma, Ashwadhama, Karna, etc., in Mahabharatam. We can see Durga Mata in 9 various forms in 9 days of festival. Shailaputri, Brahmacharini, Kusumanda, Skanda Mata, Katyayani, Kalaratri, Mahagauri, and Siddhidatta are the 9 forms of Durga Mata respectively. Goddess Shailaputri is the first manifestation of Goddess Durga. Goddess Parvati was born as daughter of Himalaya and in Sanskrit Shail means mountain. Thus she is known as Shailaputri. The second day of Navratri is dedicated to Goddess Brahmacharini. The meditative form of this goddess symbolizes Goddess Parvati when she was engaged in her deep meditation to please Lord Shiva. The third day of Navratri of Goddess Chandraghanta. She is 10 armed goddess with a half moon on her forehead, which gives her the name Chandraghanta. Chaturthi or the fourth day of Navaratri is of Devi Kusmanda. Goddess Kandamata, who is worshipped on the fifth day, is also known as Panchami. The sixth day of Navaratri is dedicated to Goddess Katyayani, also known as warrior goddess. Katyayani is considered as one of the most violent forms of Goddess Parvati. She is the daughter of Sek Katyayan. The last 3 days of Navaratri are called Durgastami, Mahanavami, Vijayadashmi. According to a Hindu tradition, it is believed that there are 3 major forms in which Goddess Durga Mata manifested herself, namely Mahasaraswati, Mahalakshmi, Mahakali, who are active energies of Brahma, Vishnu, and Rudra, respectively. These 3 forms of Durga Mata further manifested into 3 more forms each, and thus emerged the 9 forms of Durga, which are collectively called Navadurga or 9 Durgas. Apart from worshipping Goddess Durga, playing dandiyas, fasting, making special Navaratri foods, many people also follow special colors of Navaratri, 9 days and 9 colors that they have different significance. Those colors are orange, white, red, royal blue, green, grey, yellow, purple, peacock green. There is a different meaning for every color. Kullu Dashera is most famous Dashera festival celebrated in Dalpur Maidan in the Kullu Valley. Kullu, the Valley of Gods, is one of the most beautiful parts of Himachal Pradesh. This hill town, Himachal Pradesh of northern India, has given a status of international festival, which is famous for attracting visitors from far and wide. Kullu Dashra is slightly different because its celebration begins when the rest of the country closes the 9 days long festival. Madikeri Dashra is the Dashra festival is celebrated in the city of Madikeri, a 10-day celebration in the Indian state of Karnataka. Madikeri Dashra is the one of the most famous festival to celebrate in the state. Kota Dashra is a quite unique for it is more than just the beginning of a festive period. Among the various festivals held in different parts of Rajasthan, the Dashra festival of Kota, one of the most popular festival. The Mangalore Dashra in the city of Mangalore attracts devotees all over India to celebrate the Dashra festival. And tiger dance and bear dance are the main attractions in Mangalore Dashra. Bastar Dashra is a unique cultural trait of Chhattisgarh. Bastar Dashra is also about rites and their Maharajas and their gods and goddess. The celebrate Bastar Dashra for Lord Rama won over Ravana. It is the longest festival in the world, celebrated for 70. Batukamma is celebrated for 9 days during Navaratri. Batukamma is a floral festival celebrated predominantly in Telangana and some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Batukamma represents cultural spirit of Telangana. In Telugu, Batukamma means mother goddess comes alive. It is an asking for goddess Sati to return. Sati returned as goddess Parvati, and therefore the festival is also dedicated to goddess Parvati. Batukamma or Shakti, according to one legend, the flower that resembles the shape of the temple Gopur. Gauramma is placed on the top of the flowers. The little floral mountains is worshipped as goddess Batukamma. Young women place Batukamma around a clay pot decorated with flowers and they dance around it. Historically, Batukamma means festival of life and it is celebrated to thank goddess Parvati for her blessings for the crop harvest and income she helped to generate this year and ask again her blessings for the next year. There are many soldiers in border who are not celebrating this Dashera with their families. We all wish them a happy Dashera. The very best wishes for a joyous Navratri with lots joy, happiness, peace, prayers and prosperity during these auspicious days. May the great goddess Ma Durga bless you generously this Navaratri and brings you all praise for Ma Durga. Have an auspicious Navaratri. We all celebrate next Dashera happily without Karana. Okay friends, we will meet in next video with Deepavali.